Hello folks, this is probably going to be a real quick video. I just wanted to give you guys a tip on something that worked for me. We had a couple of old hardwood pegboards in an old wooden shed that had been around for many years, probably decades, just sitting there. They had wasp mud dauber nest on them, other paint and other things on them on both sides actually. I was able to find a nice way to dress these up and get them in the house. First of all, wire brushes, plastic brushes, to kind of get those mud dauber nest off, extra paint, extra just junk that was on them on both sides. You can kind of see here's the before, what it would look like. Paint specks, don't know if you can see this, but little mud dauber nest down here. And after cleaning this up, I had this sitting around for what I had used for some old PVC pipe, drainage pipe that I wanted to put on. This is your Rust-oleum hammered paint and primer. This color is brown. If you can see that, it's going to be very close match to this, but it's more of a hammered look. And this is what it looks like afterwards. So very much nicer. With all of the junk gone and the paint on, it gives it almost a copper, hammered copper look. So bronze, oil rub bronze, copper, somewhere in there. Super easy. I don't like spray paint that much, but this one worked out really well. Soaked in, not tacky at all. Very light coat, was able to cover up absolutely everything. And this hardboard, pegboard, looks 100 times better. So quick tip, very easy to do. Go out there and try it, and thanks for watching.